Want to access apps or content that aren't available in your country on Google Play? In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your Play Store country in just a few minutes so you can download whatever you want hassle-free. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier.
First, open up the Play Store on your phone. Tap on the profile icon on the top right. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payment Methods. Tap on More Payment Settings. This will prompt you to open up a web browser. I will tap on Chrome. This will bring you to the Payment Center. Tap on the three lines top left and tap on Settings. Under Payments Profile, tap on the pencil icon beside Country Region. Tap on Create New Profile. Tap on Continue. Here you have the option to choose a new country. So for example, I will pick France and tap on Continue. Enter your new info below, your name, address, city, and once you're done, tap on Submit and you will have a new country registered to your Google Play Store account.
There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.